Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today we are going to learn about an important data structure I can say, or else an important primary data type of Python, which is called as set. So set is also a data type. Till now we have covered tuple, list till in Python. So now covering the third different topic called as set is one of the important data structure available in Python. So first we can see what is a set first. Yeah. So a set is an unordered collection of data type that is iterable, mutable and has no duplicate elements. So remember it friends, set is not going to allow any duplicate elements and it is also not ordered. It means we cannot access the elements of a set by the index value. So these two are the key points of a set. If you have something to be stored and if you don't want to have an ordered list, then you can use a set. And set cannot allow duplicate elements. So if you want some unique kind of thing, then you can use a set. So these two are primary goals of set. And yeah, coming to the syntax of set. So we are going to write a variable name and then equal to, and then here set goes with the curly brackets. So there is also another data type called as dictionary, which is also going to have curly bracket. But what is the difference between dictionary and set is, dictionary is going to be a key value pair, whereas set is just collection of datas. Just like a list, you can just have collection of data separated by comma, but it is going to be written within curly brackets. So this is the syntax of set, friends. Yeah, so to update a set. So once a set is created, we cannot change the items in the set. Like we cannot replace one particular item with another item in a set. But we can add more than one elements in a set. So adding elements is available with a method called as add. So if you want to add an element in a set, you can easily add that particular element by help of this add. So we can fastly go on with this example and check. So I am going to have fruits which is equal to, I am initializing the set with curly brackets and I am writing apple and comma mango. Now I just want to print and see the set how it is working. So I am just writing the print statement after this. Yes. So if I am printing the set and see, so can you see apple and mango is available? If I run again, then can you see mango and apple is available? Because set is not indexed, we cannot specify that first element is going to be apple only because it can shuffle whenever it needs. So only this is implemented as set. Now if I want to add a pineapple maybe here, so I can write as fruits dot add and I can just write the element which I need to add, pineapple. So we cannot say that this particular element will be added at the end of the set. As we all remember, indexing is not available in set. So I need to print it and show you. Print fruits. Yeah, now if we run and see, can you see pineapple is now shown in middle? If you run again, it will be again in some other index. Yeah. So we are just specifying these are all the elements available in this particular set without the index value. So this is how we can update a set, and changing a set value is not applicable in Python. Yeah, so how can I access the elements? If I cannot access the element with the help of index, how will I access the element? So we can just use a loop to access the element. So if I am going to write just a for loop, then each and every time one particular element will be got for that. So for I in fruits, and if I want to print I, then that will print each and every fruit for you. So it will iterate throughout the set and it will end once all the elements is iterated once. So this is how we can access the elements in a set, friends. We cannot access with the help of index values. So these are all the basic operations of set. So what is very much special in set? That is what we are going to see now. So what is so special in set is, first we can add a set inside a set itself by using the update method. If you want to add only one element in a set, then that is possible with the help of add function. But if you want to update one particular set itself inside the set, then that is possible with the help of update method. So we can use and see update method now. So I will create another set, maybe tropical fruits is equal to, I am going to write pineapple and maybe a kiwi. So I am writing these both, and now I want to add this particular tropical fruit set inside the fruit set. So what I am going to do is, I am going to write fruits dot update. So what should be updated in my fruits? That should be written inside the brackets. Inside the brackets I am going to write TF should be added to my fruit set. So now if I am trying to print and see my fruits, all the fruits with the help of TF also will be updated together. Can you see all the four items are available? So we can update a set inside a set also. It is not only set, friends, we can also update a tuple. So I'm just changing the brackets so that it is a tuple now. Can you see the same happens? And I can also update a list. So either a list, a tuple, or a set itself can be updated with the help of this update method. So now I think it is clear with updation of the set. So if it is one element, we are going to use add. If it is more than one element, we can use the update method. Now coming to the next one, these three which I am going to say now are very unique to set. So we can find a union of two different set. If you have two set and you want to know what are all the unique elements together available in both the set, I can use this union operator. So union operator means this symbol which I can show you while I am typing. So this is an example which we are going to try and see. So now I am going to create two different set. So first set will be for even numbers. Even numbers is equal to, I will just write all the even numbers. Okay, maybe this is enough. Then I am going to have another set which is going to have all the prime numbers. Okay, so I'm going to have prime numbers. Prime numbers may be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So I think this is enough, and I am going to change the even numbers to odd numbers, friends, because there is nothing in common except 2 in prime numbers and even numbers. So I will just change it as odd numbers so that we will get something common and it will be useful for us also to execute. So yeah, so we are having two different set now. Now, if I need to print all the elements available in both the set, but only the unique ones, only one time I will print the elements, then I can use this odd, and then I am going to use this particular symbol. This symbol is representing union. So we are going to join all the elements and then prime. So I am going to join both of them together. And if I am running and seeing this program, just wait for a second. Yeah, can you see all the elements available for both the set is printed here. So this is how we can have the union of two numbers. So union operation we are doing here. So if it is like you need to add all the numbers together in a particular set, then you can use this union operator. If you want only the common elements available in both the set, I just want to see the common elements alone, then I can use the operator called as intersection operator. So intersection operator is nothing but the AND symbol. So I am going to write odd and prime. So this will print me the common elements which are available in both the set. So 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13 are both odd numbers and also prime numbers. If I need to find the difference, like I need to find what are all the unique elements available in this odd numbers, but it is not available in prime number. It is also available in prime numbers, but odd one out I need to do. Then there is an operator for difference. So I can use the same print statement. So difference. So I am going to write here odd minus prime. So it will delete all the common item available in prime in the odd set and print you. If I am running and showing you, can you see these three are the only elements which are unique for the odd numbers. So this opposite can also be done. So here I can just write as odd minus prime. Difference of odd minus prime we are printing here. And in the next line, I am trying to print prime minus odd. So the same thing I can write here prime minus odd. So from the prime number set, it will eliminate all the elements available in odd number set and print you here. Can you see only 2 is available which is not available in the prime numbers, odd numbers. So these are the three different operations which can be performed only in set. So these operations will be very useful when you are using large number of data, and I can say for data analytics this will be the basics. If you are using millions of data and if you want to find the unique elements available in whole millions of data, or if you want to find the common elements, or if you want to find the difference, then this particular set concept is applicable. And sets can be, and all these three, union, intersection and difference, are only can be done in set. Okay, I think all these three are very much interesting for you. And now to just delete all the elements in set, we are going to just write as clear. So set name.clear will just clear all the elements available in set. So these are all the basic operations which are available in set, and this is what set means. So now I think all the three data types are very easy for you. We have seen the list, tuple and set. These three are the basic sequence kind of data type available in Python. And if you want to know more about Python, you can also watch all the videos which I have posted, and in future also I will be posting. So please subscribe to my channel and please wait for the videos. And yes, so next we will be discussing what is a dictionary. Dictionary is also something very new and very interesting, friends. Hope it will be very useful for you guys. And if you have any doubts till now, you can always feel free to ask your doubts in comment section below. Bye bye. This is Shravanti.